You know, some women will be fine with china or platinum for the 20th anniversary, but not my woman. This is what she prefers. How do I get into this mess? We're on the Isle Royal Queen 4, headed to Isle Royal, 20th anniversary trip for Joni and I. I guess we're doing a little backpacking.
Wild raspberries. More seedy. Tart.
Tastes like raspberry though?
You want to try one? Let me hold the camera.
Oh yeah.
That's good. But yeah,
right
tart.
Here. Yeah.
Gotcha. Like it's going to be our site for the night.
Yeah,
You bring
it says it's not level.
Not at all, unfortunately, but wow, it's a beautiful spot. We're right by the water. We've got a nice breeze. We're in the shade. So those are the two bonuses, but not level. We made it to 3 Mile campsite. Unfortunately, this campgrounds area is full. So we're bunking with another girl. Probably get to know her in a bit. But we're trying to stay, her tent's over here. We're trying to give her her privacy and keep our own. water boy.
That's called the H2O. So we just had a really easy hike, for us anyway, 3 mile hike to stay at 3 Mile Campground.
Yeah.
But the views are still fantastic, right on the water. Actually, the campground was full. I think you already said that.
Yeah, I think a lot of campgrounds are going to be full.
Yeah, I think they're all full.
They told us that the park's capacity is only 75% because of COVID.
But if you go off the campground we're in, it's 130%.
Yeah. We're actually sharing our site with someone else, so.
Yeah. She allowed us to.
Yeah, she was already there. We asked. We're going to make some dinner and chill out.
Chill out. You just can't beat this, so check this out.
Look at the loons. You see what, you guys gotta see that. We decided to do this trip because it's our anniversary. It's our 20-year anniversary, so we wanted to do something a little different, and this is definitely different than just camping in a campground on a weekend. So.
Which our camper is in a campground.
Yeah, it's waiting on us.
It's
air conditioning.
So we'll get out of here, we'll go back to glamping.
Yeah, for the meantime, we'll make the best of it.
It's actually really nice out here. As you see, we got hoodies on because it's chilly. It's a brisk air. The air is moving pretty quickly and it's chilly. So
one thing about this island, it is 49 miles long, 9 miles wide. So it's long and skinny.
And it's 54 miles away from the Copper Harbor in the Upper Peninsula.
And that ended up being a 3.5-hour boat ride over. Another point about Isle Royale, it is the biggest island in Lake Superior, but it's the second biggest island in the Great Lakes. So there's another island that's bigger than this, which I don't know what it is.
So if you know what it is, put the comments down below. Let us know. We'd like to know what that is.
Yeah.
Because we don't have any cell service because we can't figure it out by ourselves.
We don't have cell service here. We don't have cell service.
We haven't had cell service since we got up to Copper Harbor.
We had cell service 2 miles off the bay when we left.
Yes.
When we left Copper Harbor. Yeah. So we were getting it all.
And it lasted about 20 minutes.
Long enough.
But that's not what we're out here for, man. This is the least in the lower 48. It's the least visited park.
Because it's kind of hard to get to.
It's either by boat or by seaplane. That's the only way you can get here.
No roads, just hiking trails. So tomorrow we'll be hiking a different trail, so we want to share that stuff with you guys.
Roll that beautiful bee footage. Hey Glamper, so we are here with Suzy, and the funny thing is, she's from Columbus, Ohio, like 40 miles from where we're at. But she was nice enough to let us stay in her area, her campsite, because it was full here at 3 miles. So we want to thank Suzy. Suzy, say hi to everybody back home.
Hey Mike.
Yep.
Happy anniversary.
Happy 20th.
really hard to see. Oh, they're out there. Splashing. Very cool. Your whistle came in handy. You speak loon. Alright, we made it back to Rock Harbor.
So this puts our 20th anniversary officially in the books, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll hear a boat behind us, and that's the boat we're going to be riding back to Copper Harbor on. And we just kind of wanted to recap, even though we were only here 2 days, which was not technically going to be the plan. We just wanted to kind of share the experience with you. If I was someone giving someone else the advice, I would say if you can spend the extra money, do the seaplane because
Seaplane, if you can, get you here early.
Get you here early, get you on the trail, and beat the traffic. I felt like this was very busy. Like we shared earlier, Suzy shared her campsite with us, which thank goodness she did because we had a beautiful sunset
Really
and
nice
sunrise.
view, yeah.
And just a really beautiful campsite.
Not a great place to put our tent.
No, we weren't
But-
level, but
Yeah, that's just one night, we can live with it.
yeah.
We'll sleep tonight.
I would definitely come back here again and plan to stay an extended
Yep.
time versus what we did now.
Maybe go
But-
end to end.
Yeah, that's been the talk that we'd like to do. As for difficulty, I felt like this was a really easy.
The two trails we took were easy. I can't speak for all of them, but
Mhm.
from Rock Harbor to 3 Mile campground, easy. And we brought Tobin Harbor trail back to Rock Harbor. It was also easy. It was actually easier than 3 Mile
Yeah, the less rugged
trail. So
Yeah. Suzy.
we highly recommend coming to Isle Royale. If you've never been, put it on your list. One of the least visited national parks in the lower 48. So be one that gets out here and visits it. What was your pros? What did you like the most about it?
It is very beautiful and very secluded. So it got really quiet last night, and but it's also very busy too. So I'd say that would be the con to it.
Yep. Me, my favorite part was actually on our hike today, 4 or 5 otters that basically followed us. They were just swimming along the shoreline playing. I bet they followed us for a mile.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, they were swimming.
They were being very playful, and it was probably
Yeah.
kind of cool to
yeah.
watch.
Yeah.
The worst part for me was just, it is a little sticky, hot this time of year. So, take it for what it is.
Yeah. It could be worse, I think.
It's still cooler than most places. So.
And then we have heard that late August on, the bugs are down, and we didn't deal with
Yeah,
a
we
lot
had
of
no issue
mosquitoes.
with mosquitoes or anything.
A
So.
here and there thing, but nothing major.
All in all, it was a really good couple of nights. I'm ready to get back to civilization and a shower. So let's get back to it. What do you say? Happy glamping.